Hello and welcome to Hump Day Poetry. Poetry readings meant to get you through the rest of your week. So in this video, I'm going to be reading Folding for a Cruel Man by contemporary Nigerian poet Akwaeke Emezi. Folding for a Cruel Man by Akwaeke Emezi. I wish I could sleep with your mouth on my spine, my small bones growing toward your tongue, as if your teeth were made of sun. You are the hardest love. To survive you, I press my skin away, flatten my want, and break the necks of my dreams, making them dead diamonds. I remind myself that I am worth the glittering corpses of glory. I used to love you with newness, a child's wild hunger, the freshness of future. Now I use aged parts of me, the widowed bits, the lost gristle and serious jade. This way is quiet, a wind of ice lashing an oiled whip that burns. No one sees it, smoking in the back. It has no laugh. Maybe one day we will sit and I will be old for you. I think you will like this better.